Next section, population explosion in India and its impact on health. What is mean by population explosion? Population explosion means rapid population growth. Can you define population explosion? It has been defined as the geometric expansion of a biological population, especially the unchecked growth in human population, resulting from decrease in infant mortality and an increase in longevity. Look at this graph, population explosion. Look at this picture graph, population of Indian states matches that of large countries. Uttar Pradesh just like Brazil population, Maharashtra, Mexico, Bihar, Germany, West Bengal, Vietnam, Andhra Pradesh, Philippines, Madhya Pradesh, Thailand, Tamil Nadu, France, Rajasthan, Italy, Gujarat, South Africa, Orissa, Argentina, Kerala, Canada, Jharkhand, Uganda, Assam, Uzbekistan, Punjab, Peru, like this. Then Uttaranchal, Austria. Just imagine, Indian population is how much? Overpopulation scale. Look at this graph. World Bank, World Development Indicators. According to 1960, around 0.6 billion population. 2010, 1.2 billion population. Within 50 years, population has been doubled. Factors responsible for rapid population growth in India. First, social factors. Early age of marriage, male 21 years, female 18 years. Mass illiteracy, female literacy is very low, 54.16% according to 2001. Economic factors, occupational sectors, industrial sector. Second, demographic factors. A. Large base population, low death rate. B. Family planning program. In 1952, birth rate still high due to safe motherhood and safe childhood. Reason for the growth of population. First reason, decline in death rate due to control on infant mortality rate. Second, control of famine, food crisis, embryo medicine and health facility. 3. Universality of marriage. 4. 50% of population depending on working population. 5. High infant mortality rate also induce the parents to produce more children. Six, poverty or economic backwardness. 7, illiteracy. 8th reason, migration. 9, political instability. 10, urbanization, industrialization and mechanization. Evil effects and consequences of overpopulation. First, population growth and national income. Rapid growth of population in India imposes heavy strain on our economy. Second, changes in environment, pollution. A, soil pollution. B, air pollution. C, water pollution. D, noise pollution. Three, educational facilities. 4, food problems. 5, unemployment. 6, health care problems. 7th, law and order problems. 8th, problem of housing. 9, corruption. 10, climate change. 11, global warming. Impact on health status. Affect. Population growth affect physical health, mental health and social well-being of people. It has been induced diseases, communicable diseases as well as non-communicable diseases. Disorders. The overpopulation cause following disorders: deviancies, urbanization, induced psychosis, depression, sociopath, substance abuse, alcoholism, crime, delinquency, vandalism, damage, family disintegration and alienation. Thank you. Have a good day.